Hey, everybody, and welcome to another deep dive.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Today, we're going to be talking about AI prompt engineering.
It's such a hot topic right now.
Yeah, and everyone's talking about AI, but have you heard about this prompt engineering thing?
Yeah, that's really interesting.
It's like this secret code to unlock AI's true potential.
Exactly.
And we're going to be using an article by senior technical writer Curt Robbins.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of him.
Yeah, he's worked with some pretty impressive companies.
Yeah, like FedEx.
Microsoft, Wells Fargo.
Wow.
So he really knows his stuff, and he breaks down this really complex topic
Definitely.
in a way that like anybody can understand.
Yeah.
So what is prompt engineering?
Well, it's like you're giving precise instructions to an AI
Okay.
to get the result you need.
So it's not just throwing words at it.
No,
All
you
right.
have to understand the nuances of how these models interpret language,
Mhm.
and you have to kind of steer them toward the desired outcome.
Okay, so it's kind of like giving directions to somebody who's never been to your city before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But instead of a person, it's an AI.
Right.
So you have to be super clear and specific and leave no room for ambiguity.
Okay, so like,
For example,
yeah.
if you simply ask an AI to summarize this article,
Okay.
you might get a very different result
Yeah.
than if you ask for a concise 100-word summary focusing on key findings.
So it's about being intentional
Yeah.
with your wording, but why should we care about getting these prompts right?
Well, because it unlocks the power of AI
Okay.
and harnesses its full potential.
Okay.
So with well-crafted prompts, you can streamline your workflows,
Right.
build powerful AI-powered tools,
Okay.
and even enhance communication across teams.
Oh, so like,
Imagine explaining a complex technical issue to your boss
okay, yeah.
and having AI translate it into clear, jargon-free language.
Oh, that would save me so many headaches.
Right.
Yeah, so it's not just for like tech wizards then.
No, not at all. While its relevance varies depending on your role,
Okay.
understanding the basics of prompt engineering can benefit anyone working in an AI-driven world.
So Robbins is saying this is about like democratizing AI.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's giving everyone the ability to leverage it.
So like,
Think about like preparing for a presentation,
okay.
automating a task, or just exploring the possibilities of AI.
Mm-hmm.
Prompt engineering can help you get there.
So whether you're a seasoned tech pro or just starting to explore AI, prompt engineering has something to offer.
Yeah, definitely.
But let's get a little more specific.
Okay.
What about for those of you in IT,
Right.
how can prompt engineering help you in your day-to-day work?
Well, Robbins specifically highlights how IT professionals can use prompts to anticipate server issues.
Really?
So moving away from like reactive problem solving to
Ah.
being more proactive.
Okay.
So for instance, imagine feeding system logs into an AI model and asking the right questions.
Okay.
You could potentially identify a failing hard drive days before it crashes.
While preventing downtime and data loss.
So no more like late night scrambles
Right.
to fix a crashed server.
Exactly.
Okay, now what about our technical writers out there?
Okay.
How does prompt engineering revolutionize their work?
Think about user manuals that practically write themselves.
Oh, wow.
FAQs generated with a snap of your fingers, and even code snippets that appear on demand.
That's crazy.
Prompt engineering can help technical writers create accurate and reliable documentation
Okay.
in a fraction of the time.
So less grunt work,
Yeah,
more time for strategy and creativity.
exactly.
But this all sounds almost too good to be true.
Yeah,
There's got to be some challenges, right?
of course, crafting effective prompts isn't always easy.
Okay.
There's a learning curve involved,
Mhm.
and you need to have a good grasp of AI's capabilities and limitations.
Okay.
Different AI models respond differently to the same prompts.
Oh, really?
So you need to be adaptable and willing to experiment.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all?
You need to be aware of the specific model you're working with and its quirks.
Exactly.
This sounds like it requires a lot of experimentation and refinement.
It does, but the potential rewards are immense.
Okay.
And as AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for prompt engineering are truly boundless.
So we're like on the verge of this new era
We are.
in human-machine collaboration.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
And prompt engineering is how we communicate with these incredible machines.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is a fascinating time.
It is. It's like watching a technological revolution unfold before our eyes.
Yeah.
But with any revolution, there are going to be some growing pains.
Of course.
So what are some common pitfalls that people should watch out for when they're crafting these prompts?
Well, one common mistake is being too vague
Okay.
or ambiguous.
Okay.
You need to be super clear in your instructions.
Yep.
Provide enough context
Okay.
for the AI to understand what you're asking.
So it's not just about what you're asking. It's how you're asking it.
Exactly.
Are there like techniques or strategies that can help us craft better prompts?
Absolutely. Robbins outlines a few techniques in his article that can make a real difference.
Okay.
One technique is called context setting.
Okay.
By providing background information
Right.
or framing the question in a specific way, you can dramatically improve the AI's response.
So it's like giving the AI a crash course on the subject
Exactly.
before you ask the big question.
Right.
Setting the stage, so to speak.
Exactly. And don't underestimate the power of iterative refinements.
All right.
So, crafting the perfect prompt often requires a bit of trial and error. So don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing and structures.
So it's a process.
It is.
You start with a rough idea, and then you just kind of refine it until it takes shape.
That's a great analogy.
Thanks.
And for those complex tasks
Okay.
that require multiple steps, consider using chaining prompts.
Okay.
So you break down the task
Right.
into smaller, more manageable chunks.
Yeah.
And you guide the AI through the process with a series of interconnected prompts.
So it's like building a bridge.
Exactly.
One stone at a time.
Each prompt builds upon the previous one, leading the AI toward the ultimate goal.
I like that analogy.
So while there's no magic formula for crafting the perfect prompt, understanding these techniques and being willing to experiment will significantly improve your results.
So it's more about strategy
Yeah,
than following a rigid set of rules.
exactly.
It sounds like prompt engineering is a field where creativity and problem-solving skills are super valuable.
Absolutely. And that's what makes it so exciting.
Yeah.
It's constantly evolving.
Yeah.
And innovation and ingenuity are key.
Speaking of innovation, there's a lot of buzz around prompt engineering right now.
Yeah.
Everybody's talking about it.
It seems like it.
What's driving all this excitement?
Well, a big part of it is the accessibility of these AI models. We have things like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Claude readily available. So it's really putting the power of AI into the hands of everyday users.
It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket.
It is.
But access alone isn't enough, right?
No, you need to know how to use it effectively.
So that's where prompt engineering comes in.
Exactly.
It's the key to unlocking the full potential of these AI models.
Right.
So it's not just for like data scientists and AI specialists anymore.
Exactly. Anyone can learn to craft effective prompts and harness the power of AI.
So we're democratizing AI again.
Exactly.
Empowering people from all walks of life to use this.
Yeah.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities.
It really is.
And another reason for the hype is like the immediate impact on productivity.
Yeah.
Even small improvements in prompt design can lead to huge gains in efficiency and quality.
Absolutely.
We're talking about like automating tasks, generating creative content, and solving complex problems.
In a fraction of the time.
So this isn't just a theoretical concept or a futuristic dream.
No.
This is a practical tool that's making a real difference.
Yeah, it's changing the way we work.
Yeah?
The way we learn and the way we interact with the world around us.
It's like we're on the cusp of this new era.
Yeah.
And prompt engineering is like the key to navigate this uncharted territory.
That's a great way to put it.
But does this apply to everyone? I mean, not everyone is going to become a prompt engineer.
True, but having a basic understanding of prompt engineering can be incredibly beneficial for anyone working in an AI-driven world.
So it's like having a working knowledge of how the internet works.
Exactly.
Even if you're not a web developer.
Right.
You don't have to build the technology yourself. But it helps you understand the underlying principles.
Exactly.
So it's about being AI literate.
Yeah.
Not necessarily an AI expert.
Right. It allows you to communicate more effectively with AI-driven teams. Make informed decisions about how AI can be leveraged in your work.
Right.
And even spot potential pitfalls.
That makes sense.
Right.
So even if you're not writing the prompts yourself, just knowing how they work can make you a more informed and savvy user of AI.
For sure.
But let's be realistic. It's a new field.
Yeah.
There are bound to be some challenges.
Of course.
What are some hurdles that people might encounter as they get into the world of prompt engineering?
Well, one of the biggest challenges is the learning curve.
Okay.
Crafting effective prompts requires a deep understanding of the AI model you're working with.
Okay.
Its capabilities and its limitations.
Right.
It's not just about throwing words at a machine and hoping for the best.
Right. So there's a bit of an art to it.
There is.
You have to understand the nuances of how these models interpret language and how to guide them
Exactly.
to the outcome you're looking for.
Yeah. And another challenge is model variability.
Okay.
Different AI models can respond differently to the same prompts.
Oh.
So you need to be adaptable and willing to experiment to find what works best.
Okay, so you got to tailor your prompts
Yeah.
to the specific model you're using.
Exactly.
What are some other things to keep in mind as we navigate this kind of evolving landscape of AI?
Well, it's important to remember that AI is a tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. We need to be mindful of the ethical implications.
Okay.
And ensure that we're using it responsibly.
That's a really good point, because it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of this technology.
Well, right.
And forget about the potential downside.
Exactly. We need to be thoughtful about how we design and use these systems.
So amidst all this excitement and potential,
Yeah.
we also need to proceed with caution and awareness.
Right. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is used for good,
I like that.
to solve problems, to enhance our lives, and to create a better future.
It's like we're at a crossroads.
We are.
We have this incredible technology at our fingertips.
Yeah,
But it's up to us to use it wisely.
I agree.
So as we move forward into this, like, brave new world of AI,
Yeah.
let's remember to proceed with both enthusiasm and a sense of responsibility.
I think that's a great point to end on.
Imagine a world where AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently.
It's incredible how AI is transforming healthcare.
Yeah.
So with these well-crafted prompts,
Right.
doctors can feed in patient symptoms and medical history into an AI model and receive potential diagnoses along with like supporting evidence.
Oh, wow.
And recommended next steps.
That's like having a medical expert right there at your fingertips.
At your fingertips, exactly.
It could really change how we approach healthcare.
Especially in areas with limited access to specialists.
Yeah.
This could be a game changer.
Yeah, and it's not just about diagnosis either.
No, it's not.
Prompt engineering is also accelerating drug discovery.
Absolutely.
So researchers are using AI to analyze these massive data sets of molecular structures and to identify potential drug candidates.
It's amazing.
Which could speed up the development of new treatments.
Yeah, it's like having a superpowered research assistant.
Right.
That can sift through mountains of data.
And pinpoint the most promising leads.
Exactly.
Wow, this could shave years
It could.
off the drug development process.
Absolutely.
So let's shift gears a little bit
Okay.
and look at education.
Okay.
How is prompt engineering being used to, like, enhance learning
Right.
and personalize the educational experience?
Well, I think one of the most obvious is personalized instruction.
Okay.
Based on students' strengths and weaknesses,
Okay.
adapting to different learning styles, and providing customized feedback.
So like AI tutors.
Exactly.
Okay.
Imagine a student who's struggling with a particular concept in math.
Right.
They could ask an AI tutor for help.
Yeah.
And the AI could break down that concept into smaller, more manageable steps, provide practice problems, give them tailored explanations.
So it's like a personal tutor.
It's available 24/7.
Exactly.
Wow.
Customized to meet the student's needs.
That could be a game changer
It really could be.
for students who need that extra support
Right.
or want to learn at their own pace.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the potential for AI-powered grading
Oh, yeah.
and feedback systems.
So teachers could use these prompts
Right.
to automate those routine grading tasks.
Yeah, free up more time for like individualized instruction and interaction with the students.
This all sounds really, really promising.
It is.
But, you know, it also raises some questions.
Of course.
Like, how do we ensure that these AI systems are unbiased
right.
and equitable?
That's a crucial consideration.
Yeah.
It's essential to be mindful of potential biases
Right.
in these systems and to work towards developing and deploying them responsibly.
So that everyone has equal access
Exactly.
to these tools.
So that's the goal.
And that they're used to create a more inclusive and equitable society.
That's right. It's a reminder that technology is only as good as the intentions behind it.
Yeah, we need to be thoughtful
We do.
about how we design and use these AI systems
Absolutely.
to make sure that they benefit everybody.
And that brings us back to prompt engineering.
Right.
It's the key to communicating
Yes.
effectively with these increasingly sophisticated systems.
It's like we're learning this whole new language,
Yeah,
the language of AI.
it really is.
And the better we understand it,
Yeah,
the more effectively we can use it for good.
absolutely.
Well, this has been a really fascinating conversation
It has.
about the power of AI prompt engineering.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us.
It was my pleasure.
And thank you all for listening, and we hope you learned some valuable insights.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.